Hello, welcome to Wednesday. So here we're asked to solve this using any multiplication method. So if a family averages 52 miles per hour on their road trip, how many miles would they travel after 12 hours of driving? So I would set this up like so. Okay, so if we multiply these, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10. Now we're going to be doing the 1, but first we need to add our placeholder. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5. Add these together, 4, 2, 6. 624 is what we're looking for. 624 miles. Okay, so this one, if we have a box of donuts containing a dozen items, if someone buys 15 boxes, how many donuts will they have purchased? Okay, so again, a dozen is 12. So we can do 12 times 15. Multiply these. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 more is 3. Add a 0. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 1. Add, we get 0, 8, 1, 180. Question 3, the average annual rainfall in Florida is 52 inches. In June, it rains 9 inches. If it rained this much every month, how much more rain per year would Florida receive? Okay, so first we would actually multiply 9 times 12 because it's telling us that in a year it totals 52 inches. We get more rain in June, so we're trying to see if every month was a rainy month, how much more rain would we get. Okay, so if we do 9 times 12, you get 108. So it'd be tempting to say, okay, there's 108, that's one of our answer choices, but it's not asking how much we would receive if it rained that much every month of the year. It's asking how much more. So we actually need to do 108 minus 52. That's where we get 56. Okay, a little bit tricky, but I'm sure we handled just fine. How about this one? So at a movie theater, Stephen counted 22 rows containing 26 seats in each row. How many seats are in the theater if there's also a row at the very front with only 6 seats in it? Okay, so it looks like we have a uniform rectangle of 26 seats across by 22 rows, and that would be just finding like the area of a rectangle, 22 times 26. Then it's saying there's an additional row up front that has another 6 seats in it, so that's where we have to be a little bit careful. Let's multiply that to see what we get. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 more is 5. Placeholder, 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 more is 5. Add these together, and we get 572. Now again, that's not the final answer, even though it's one of the choices. Very tricky, because it's actually asking, so this whole section here is 572 seats, plus the 6 more seats at the very front. So that would give us 572 plus 6 equals 578. Okay, well done. Have a good day.